is the source of this entire creation called the universe. It is also the sustenance of this creation. Sound has the power to both create and destroy life. For we are a part of this creation. Our reason for being alive and functioning is deeply associated with sound. Yet, the power of sound is beyond human comprehension. Surrendering to the healing power of sounds is the way forward for physical wellness and mental health. Join us for the healing journey to find peace within with sound meditation.